You walked into the room, and for a second, everything felt normal. Then you saw her. Suddenly, you became aware of everything. Your steps, your hands, and your face. You adjusted your shirt and fixed your hair, trying to look right. But here's what you did not realize. She had already noticed you, just not for the reason you think. Most guys believe attraction starts when a woman looks at your face, but it begins long before that. It starts in the first few seconds when you do not even know you are being watched. Have you ever noticed how some guys walk into a place and, without saying a word, people just feel their presence? They aren't talking loudly or trying to impress, yet they stand out. You wonder why. Here is the truth no one tells you. Women do not just observe you, they read you. What they read first is your state, not your face. They read that invisible signal you carry in your body. Imagine two versions of you walking into the same room. In the first version, you are slightly tense. Your shoulders are tight, your eyes are scanning the room, and you are checking to see who is watching you. Even if your face looks fine, your body is saying that you need approval. In the second version, you walk in slowly. Your shoulders are relaxed, your movements are controlled, and you are not trying to be seen. You are just there. That sends a completely different message. You are comfortable. That one difference changes how she feels about you instantly, because attraction is emotional, not logical. Emotions do not respond to your looks, they respond to your energy. This is where most guys mess up. They think attraction is something they can turn on after they approach, but by the time you walk up to her, she has already decided how she feels about you. Not consciously, but emotionally. And this changes everything. Picture a coffee shop where one guy is sitting there constantly checking his phone, fixing his posture, and looking around every few seconds. The other guy is just sitting back, calm, focused, and relaxed. In the same environment, with the same opportunity, only one of them feels attractive. It is not about looks. It is about how safe and grounded they appear. When a man looks grounded, he feels predictable, which makes him feel safe, and that safety is inherently attractive. Confidence is not something you show, it is something you remove. You remove the tension, the need to impress, and the constant self-checking. What remains is natural presence. To change this, you must first slow everything down, your walk, your movements, and even your breathing, because speed signals anxiety. Second, stop checking yourself constantly. Every time you adjust your clothes or hair, you are telling your body something is wrong, and your body believes it. Third, control your eyes. Do not scan the room looking for validation. Look and observe, but do not search. Fourth, give yourself permission to exist without performing. You do not need to impress anyone in the first 10 seconds. You just need to be present. Have you ever met someone who did not say much, but still felt powerful? That is presence. And presence creates attraction before words ever do. The biggest mistake is trying too hard too early by talking louder than needed, or moving faster than natural. Trying to be interesting instead of being real creates pressure, and pressure kills attraction instantly. Overthinking every move and wondering what to say or how you look makes you disconnected from the moment, and she feels that. The mindset shift that will change everything is to stop asking how to make her notice you, and start asking how you feel when you walk into a room. That feeling is what she notices first, not your face, your clothes, or your words. So next time you walk in somewhere, do not fix your hair or adjust your shirt. Fix your state. The moment you feel comfortable in your own space, you stop chasing attention, and attention starts coming to you. If this made you see things differently, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more real, practical insights like this.